Yo guys, look outside. Right now is 3 something and you can't see, like, say a block, not even half a block you can see in front of you. It's crazy and it's just coming down. It's wide out. So guys, be careful on the road. Be careful, don't drive fast. Trying to get home safely to your family. Somebody home waiting on you, so just be safe out there. Wow. And then after this, the temperature gonna drop like drastically. And then tomorrow is supposed to be like 10 and minus 10. Whoa. Just imagine how those people in Chicago feeling right now. Oh Lord. Make sure you guys have a lot of food in your house. Eat. You know, stay next to each other, stay warm. Watch some TV, read some books, do something, keep yourself busy, and just be safe. And guys, if you're out there and see somebody need help, please, this is not the time to ignore someone. Help them the best way you can. It's called love. Alright, be safe guys. Look, I'm not joking. Look, it just start coming in like 5 minutes and just, you can't see nothing. This is like, whoa, amazing. Wow. Look guys, it's not nice. Can you see the sky? Not even. Whoa. You can't even see those people next door there. And drivers, make sure, remember to turn your lights on. Put on your hazard, because it's not nice. Whoa, whoa. This is crazy. Don't be lazy. Oh, forgot I have the camera still running. I'm not the singer, it's Jamali. Alright folks,